What is a perfect sleep experience? How do you define comfort? At Coirfit, we have a team of engineers, designers, researchers trying to understand how we can help people sleep better. When we first started designing the mattress, we surveyed the current options that were out there. The springs we use are finalized after hours of prototyping, to find the perfect gauge wire that gives superior edge support. The inner spring construction makes this mattress lighter and enhances airflow. The revolutionary ISP technology offers the right support to your back and helps in maintaining the perfect S-curve of your spine. The pocket springs are concealed in layers consisting of plush padding and housed in separate spongy fabric pockets. The mattress is soft, and covered with luxurious material, thereby giving it an affluent and a stylish look. With extreme breathability and extra bounce, pocket spring mattress is the preferred choice as compared to memory foam mattresses. You can float on spring coils that support every sleeping position with its unique no partner disturbance feature. Backed by 31 years of brand confidence, it's time to upgrade to rejuvenated mornings.